Welcome to this in-depth walkthrough of Gemini, a leading cryptocurrency platform designed for seamless trading, investing, and earning. In this video, we'll explore how to get started, secure your account, and make the most of its powerful features. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With Gemini, it's easy. Simply transfer your USDT, Bitcoin, or Ethereum and start earning with their competitive interest rates. The sign-up link and bonus for new users are in the description. To begin, head over to the Gemini homepage and sign up using your email. You'll receive a verification email to confirm your account. Once verified, log in and set up two-factor authentication for enhanced security. This is critical for keeping your funds safe. After securing your account, navigate to the funding section where you can deposit fiat currency or cryptocurrencies. Gemini supports a variety of deposit methods, making it easy to start. Once your funds are available, explore the Market tab. Here, you can review live prices and select the crypto you want to trade or invest in. Clicking on any cryptocurrency will bring up detailed charts and analytics to inform your decisions. For beginners, the Gemini Earn feature is a fantastic way to grow your portfolio. Simply allocate your cryptocurrency to this program, and you'll begin earning interest daily. This is ideal for passive income seekers. To withdraw, go to the Withdrawal tab and select the asset you wish to move. Enter the destination wallet address carefully to avoid errors. Confirm the withdrawal via email to complete the process. Gemini also provides robust educational resources under its Learn section, where you can explore articles and insights into crypto trends. If you're on the go, download the Gemini app to manage your account effortlessly from your phone. Don't forget to explore the referral program to earn bonuses by inviting friends to the platform. With its intuitive design, stringent security protocols, and diverse earning opportunities, Gemini is a top choice for both new and experienced crypto enthusiasts. Take action now. Click the sign-up link in the description, secure your bonus, and start your crypto journey today. Remember to subscribe to this channel, give the video a like, and share it with friends interested in crypto.